So my friend's video got hate because their daughter didn't have multiplication memorized. I'm gonna push against this as a learning specialist and tell you that my friend is actually teaching their daughter correctly. The equation was 5 times 3. And for mid-year 3rd grade and 4th grade, I want my kids to know this is 15 right away. However, this kid is a 2nd grader. For my 2nd graders and 3rd graders, I want them to conceptually understand what this is. I don't want things just memorized automatically. That'll hold no real value when they get older. Somebody in the first few months of 3rd grade, or if you're advanced at the end of 2nd grade, I would want them to think about this as 5, but 3 different times. In other words, 5 times 3 is 5 3 times. It is extremely important to memorize multiplication. But that is a Common Core 3rd or 4th grade skill, and I also don't really believe in grade levels, real talk. But even if we are talking grade levels, I much prefer my students to count and understand what multiplication is before memorizing it. Because, and we get into this problem all the time, if you just memorize math facts, for example, 5 times 3 is 15, and you memorize it, but don't conceptually understand it, it is going to come back to get you. If you memorize 5 times 3 is 15 without understanding this, then this equation's not going to make sense to you in the 7th grade or 8th grade. If you just memorized multiplication without conceptually understanding it, you wouldn't understand that a 3 is needed in this spot for it to be right. Therefore, x equals 3. Someone that counted on their fingers and understood that, boom, 5, 5, 5, oh, 3 5s make a 15. They're gonna be able to solve pre-algebraic equations in 5 years. But someone who memorizes it quickly, and you force the memorization, you force that quick math without actually conceptually understanding it, is going to run into problems in middle school. And then you will have to hire me. I hope this helps.